Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 7th August. Welcome everybody to our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall focus on some of the memorable events happened on 7th August in history, which all of us must know. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Focus on the possibilities for success, not on the potential for failure. So friends, even if you are getting failures again and again, still you don't quit your efforts so that you can get your success one day. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Mughal emperor known as Bahadur Shah Rangila born on this day in 1702? Answer. Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah. He is also known as Muhammad Shah Rangila. Question number 2. Which year on this day Indian National Congress boycotted British goods in protest against the partition of Bengal? Answer. 1905. And this incident is also known as Swadeshi movement. Question number 3. Which newspaper was published by Pandit Durga Prasad Mishra on this day in 1880? Answer. Uchit Bhakta. Question number 4. Which Indian geneticist born on this day in 1925 is known as Father of Green Revolution in India for his role in developing high-yielding variety of wheat? Answer. M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 5. Which Indian poet died on this day in 1941, was the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his collection of poetry named Gitanjali? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore. He was also famous for his novel Gora and his story Kabuliwala. He had written the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, and also written the national anthem of Bangladesh, Amar Sonar Bangla. Question number 6. Which billiards player became the third Indian to win World Amateur Billiard Championship on this day in 1985? Answer. Geet Sethi. Question number 7. Which Indian politician inaugurated the first National Handloom Day on this day in 2015 to commemorate Swadeshi movement of 1905? Answer. Narendra Modi. He is the current Prime Minister of India. Question number 8. Which year on this day transistor radio produced by the company Tokyo Sushin Kogyo was sold for the first time in Japan? Answer. 1955. The company Tokyo Sushin Kogyo was renamed to Sony in 1958. Question number 9. Which African country got independence from France on this day in 1960, which became the economic powerhouse of West Africa through production of coffee and cocoa? Answer. Ivory Coast. Question number 10. Which operation was launched by United States by deploying forces in Saudi Arabia on this day in 1990? Answer. Desert Shield. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.